Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to learn some stuff for sure, as we discussed in the previous video, which was citation and quotation stuff. But yeah, before that, I missed out on something. I just wanted to also just display how do you align text, right? So let's say I want the header to be in the middle. I'm just gonna write style text align right, and there we go. The text is aligned to the right, and I want header 1 to be aligned in the middle of the website. I can do that by writing text align center and save it. Bam. And for the text to be on the left, you don't need to do anything. You can just write it. You can leave the text align property empty, or just write the left and it'll go back to the left, or you don't even specify at all this property. Alright, so this is how you do text align. Now on to our next content section, which is about quotation and citation elements. And this we'll just look at, block quotes and some other tags. So without further ado, let's go. Now let's assume I have like a paragraph which I want to quote, right? I'll just write here. Here is a brilliant quote. Save it, and beneath this the quote will appear. How do we do the block quote? We just open tag and close tag, same way, and in between these tags we're gonna write out the quote. And for this code I just want to write, like, let's say hello, high is the sky. Just to, you know, just multiplicates a few times. Save it. So the block quote, you can see how it's specified there, right? So upon inspection of this element, we can see that this quote is indented firstly from the beginning, from the start, and it appears like a quote, and there it is. That's the quoted text. So you can use block quote to specify any quote you may have. And let's go further. Now there is something, if you want to specify from where you're citing the quoted text, right? You can just simply go here, write cite, and you can include here the link or anything. www.google.co.uk. Save it. Okay. So here we can see that the cited part is displaying here perfectly. And yeah. Okay. Now let's go further. For short quotations, right, you can use the tag Q, and it's just gonna basically add quotation marks on your text. Now let's say this is a certain part of the text that I want to wrap in quotation marks. What I'm just gonna do is right here Q, open tag, close tag, and save it. And there we can see this text is quoted. and we can't even highlight those quotation marks. So you see, this text appears to be quoted. Is the sky hello? All right, and now you can make use of abbreviations even. So like, let's say uh, hmm, H1 Dr. Birb Coding, right? You want to place emphasis on the doctor. How do we do that? We can just make use of a simple uh, ABBR tag, which stands for like ab- abbreviation. So these are used to like specify those acronyms. So you can just wrap it up with ABBR, save it. Oh, I don't see anything happening. That's interesting. Um, okay, wait. Maybe I got it wrong. Uh, if I was supposed to put it like uh, inside this, save it, and here I'm supposed to mention the title. So title doctor, save it. So when you hover above it, you can see the doctor title. So yeah, now that's how you can use. Or wait, I didn't think this was how it was supposed to. Sorry, so is it like this? Yeah, doctor. You can just write here. Oh yeah, I have the other way around. Sorry guys. It's actually like this, doctor. Yep, it's abbreviation, so of course it's going to represent the whole word for the abbreviated text. So yeah, you hover above the abbreviated text, doctor, so it's going to show you doctor. And if you still don't understand, sorry, just like I did, I'm just gonna write here LOL, lol, and you can write here laughing out loud. Save that. Okay, and this is a uh, much better way to understand. Yeah, much better example. Laughing out loud. Alright, so we got abbreviated text down. What else do we have? Now, let's say you want to just specify your address to someone, right? You can wrap that text up in address tag. So, how will we do that? Just right here. Address. Open tag, close tag address, and in between uh, New York, Newcastle Street, 1001. See. Um, then what else? What else? So yeah, BR Hotel uh, level 3 or 2 room 4 safe. Okay, so you can use this address tag to share your address, and you can probably write it at the end of your uh, post, perhaps like hey guys, if you want to send me a gift, you can write your ad, you can send it here. You can find many uses for that. So yeah, we have learned about the address tag, abbreviated tag, block codes,